Just Kermit being a good dad, looking after this baby here. His little ball of future fluff. Hey. Oh, look at that. I love how he's completely taken to the responsibilities of parenthood. And he's doing everything he can to protect this little bird. Oh my god. Oh no, sorry. Kept thinking they were the eyes then. Because baby doves, they keep their eyes closed for like the first week to 10 days. The things that you see at the side of their head are actually their ears, not their eyes. They're just too cute. I'm really contemplating whether I want to breed them. So that other people can experience having pet doves in my local area. If they're local to me, then I can come round and make sure they're being looked after. Leave you guys to it, okay? Yep, you going underneath there. Okay, guys. I think Emma's a bit tired. Okay, have a lovely day.